Joe Mama here. This is just going to be a short video about what I've been doing. I've been gardening, and as you can see, it's I have tires in the ground. Those are already prepped. I gotta dig up all this crabgrass. These railroad ties used to go they used to go where I have that line of crabgrass. I dug that crabgrass out from where I pulled out the railroad tie, and I'm gonna mow them, and it's better than no grass. But I also did buy grass seeds so I can repair some of the areas. But what I did was the area where this dirt is used to be the area that I used to garden, but I haven't done it in a couple of years, so it got all overgrown with crabgrass. But and then there used to be gravel here, and this used to be an extra place to park a car, but it's so overgrown that I just decided to, I'm going to take the rest of the rocks out and plant grass. So I moved those railroad ties over to this area, and then I took some other boards and I created some triangular area where I'm going to grow beets. And the tires I'm going to bury like I did the other ones, and I'm going to plant some herbs in there, some basil and some chives. And then over in this corner I'm going to plant spinach, and I'm going to keep working on it and eventually have the whole area planted. I don't know everything I'm going to plant, but I just wanted to make this. And oh, that's my compost pile. I have stinging nettle growing on top of that. I'm going to replant some of that in that planter right there, if I can do it without disturbing the root system too bad. But I'm really enjoying this. I didn't realize how much I loved gardening until I worked for a lawn care company for 3 years, and I got to work outside in the sun all day. And I was kind of overworked at that job to where I really liked it, but I was physically exhausted all the time. But doing this, now I have a job that's part-time and that I can handle without getting physically exhausted. Now I have time to work in my yard every day, and I love it. So thank you for watching.